This video is titled Noodletools Bibliography. So you should have done the Noodletools dashboard video. If you've done a Noodletools dashboard video, you'll have a research question here. You'll have a working thesis. Down here in the sharing collaboration, you'd have shared your project with me. And down here, you'll have a to-do list. So the to-do list is going to tell you the next steps, and this video is going to tell you the next steps. The first thing is it says start an outline. That's actually going to be after the bibliography, where it says here begin to construct a bibliography and find and evaluate 3 internet sources. So let's go to the top here, and on this tab click bibliography. When you do that, it takes you to your works cited page. That means that this is where you're going to collect any books or websites that you find that you think are going to be helpful to helping answer your question, doing your research. So let's say, for example, that I found this website on early humans about tools and food. It tells me the use of tools. This is actually kind of older than early humans, but anyway, let's just say this is the website that I wanted to put in my bibliography. So what I would do here in my works cited page, I would go down and put website, and then I'd hit the green button, create citation. Once I hit the green button, create citation, it's going to show me this, and if I start filling all this in, it's going to take a while, so just try to fill in the stars and the URL. Which is stars. And you don't need to do an annotation here. So for the URL just means this whole thing right here. Alright, so if I go back to my website, I can just click right here, left click, and it'll highlight everything. And then I right click, it's going to bring down this drop down menu, copy, left click, and go back to Noodletools, and I could right click in here, paste it, left click, and it's there. And now all I need is to know is the web page document or article title. So the article title would be what does it mean to be human? I won't be able to click on it because of the finger, so I'll actually have to type that in. So once you find a title, you simply do that. And then the name of the website, in this case, would be Smithsonian National Museum of Natural History. So I would go back and type that in. Smithsonian, I forgot what it is. I just click back. National Museum of Natural History. National Museum of Natural History. Now if I wanted to, I could put all kinds of other things. I could put the date of access, like when I accessed it. It's actually there already. I could put the date of publication. So if I scroll down at the bottom, it should say when it was last updated. It was last updated February. Really? Wow. Today? Okay. Last updated February 23rd. I doubt that, but that's all right. Whatever. 2016. Contributors, you can put that if you wanted to. The more stuff you put, the better. It just makes your bibliography look a lot more professional. I guess it doesn't really say who contributed. Okay, anyway. So that's that. All right, so when you have publisher, when you have stuff, you just hit submit over here. and then it's added to your bibliography. There you go. So you won't even need this anymore. You can exit out because it'll always be there. If you're like, oh man, I don't remember that website, what was it? You can always go to your bibliography and it'll be there, and you can say view live web page, and you click on that, it'll open up a new tab, and there you are. All right, so it's pretty cool because it collects all that stuff for you. Let's see what else. That's pretty much it, I think, for bibliography. If you did a book would be different because, let's say I'm doing the textbook. This thing pops up, and it's just telling you what a book is. Like if we didn't know, just click continue. I'm gonna go click hide this book help screen so it doesn't pop up again. So with a book, you would have to go and put the author's first name, middle name, last name, title of the book, all this stuff. So you can do that, or you can cheat kind of and put the ISBN number. Every book that's been published has an ISBN number. It's in the back of the book. For example, this book that I have, ISBN number is 003073462, and I search for it, and there it is, World History, Ancient Civilization. This is the teacher's edition, so your number will be different. So I click on it and say, yes, that's the one I want, and I go here to import selected source. Once I do that, it gives me everything. It fills it in for me, so I don't have to do that. I click continue, and there it is. Everything's there. Click submit, and it is now my bibliography. So you guys need to do that at least with your textbook. Even if you're not going to use the textbook, just try it. Do it with your textbook, or do it with any other book. You might have a book from the library. Look in the back cover of the book. Look for ISBN and type it in and see what happens. Okay. All right, guys. So explore, find a bunch of websites, put them on there. Even if you're not going to use them, just put them on there, and then later on you could always delete them. Okay. All right. Have fun.